Listen, there is nothing wrong with a simple salad, but my next guest says there is one simple pantry staple that will add some swag to your greens. We are adding on to our salad swag series, calling on our favorite foodie friends to share their common cure to a boring salad. No more boring salads. Our friend Heather Smith of Orson Gigi is here. You say there is one thing, sister, that makes a big difference.
I mean, this should be no surprise. It's salt.
She's coming in soft and easy. It's salt.
I feel like this is like our most favorite ingredient. So if there's ever a recipe where you're like, I just need something, it's always salt.
It's salt. So what, you're massaging the greens with salt?
You can, but honestly, like I look at the difference between a really good home salad and a restaurant salad, which, you know, things always taste better when someone cooks it for us, but it's salt and pepper on their salads. And so, like, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love a salad that has all the inclusions and all the fun things, but I also want to be able to taste the cucumbers and the carrots and the lettuce, like, especially in this, as we're like nearing summer, like veggies, I want to be able to taste that garden tomato that it grew, and I was like, that came from my backyard.
Right.
Salt is the way to be able to taste those things, and so as we're like looking at ways to like just upgrade our salads, it's salt and pepper.
So you're talking about a finishing sprinkle.
Yes, so when we look at salts, there's a huge difference, and I don't know if you can see on here, so this is our regular table salt. You can see how fine it is. If you were to taste it, it would bring you that really like, ooh, there's the salt.
Got it, yeah.
And then we have my two favorite salts, which I actually had to like ask Amy, I'm like, do you have any table salt? 'Cause I don't have table salt at my house.
You don't own table salt?
I do not own table salt because I can do everything with kosher salt.
With better salt,
yes.
Okay.
But for your salads, I'm going to make a really bold statement, and I'm going to say you need to buy some Malden finishing salt. I mean, honestly, like, look how beautiful it is.
It is
so
pretty.
It presents really nicely. You can see it on the dishes, so you know where it's going. But I mean, I'm going to make you taste it. But it's not like overly salty like you would like a table salt.
It's not the zing.
No,
but it's a sophisticated pot.
Yes. So when you're done putting together all of your beautiful salads with all of your fresh ingredients, give it a good sprinkling of a finishing salt.
And do one of these. So that you look like a true chef.
Yes. Yeah. And then adjust your pepper grinder to your larger crack, and then just get some larger crack pepper on there. See, this seriously will take any. Even if you bought a store like bag salad, it just elevates it so much more.
Done and done. I will be getting myself. I mean, I don't own table salt myself either.
Good. Thank you.
But I'll be upgrading for sure. And I actually am giggling that you said I like all the inclusions. An inclusive salad.
Doesn't that sound fun? Everyone's invited. Everyone is invited to our salads.
Just make sure you have the right salt.
Yes. Okay. Malden wants to come too.
We love you, Heather. Thanks.